Now, here's where I was having trouble. The helmet, no problem. I got that in there, no problem. The bodysuit is where I was having a problem because, as you can see, the gloves are attached to the suit. So when I tried to make the gloves that's already attached to the suit mesh to the hands, that thing looked like a living disaster. And the book bag was conforming to the back because I guess it was attached to the skeleton. So it was like actually morphing while the character was running. So I had to re-import it again and put it as an accessory. But then it was having access issues. So I was like, let me see if I could pull it up to see what I'm talking about, because I think the Astronaut is the one I was having the most trouble with. Besides the textures, I didn't even bother doing the textures because it was like looking all wonky. But you see, the hands is where I'm having a problems with. If the hands are attached to the bodysuit, I imported this as a, see, at first I imported it as a full body and it didn't work out. It looked horrible. So what I did is I separated them to different pieces, like the pants, the boots separately. The boots should probably be on the bottom, I think. And then but besides layering, but see, here's what the problem is. This is not supposed to be all the way up here. You know what I mean? Look at that. That just did that for no reason. But that wasn't supposed to be up there. But I realized what I did is that I took this entire book bag that was different parts put together, probably like 10 different parts, and I just exported it as selected and exported it. So I guess it imported it here as separate parts, so it messed it up. But what I did later on is that I made this one whole piece and then I exported it, and then it was able to go into the program. Where's the rest of this guy? Wait a minute, I know I didn't do. Oh yeah, here we go. I had to break all the pieces down. It took me a while, but I was sitting here and I was like, in order for you to get it right the first time, your best bet is a mesh. This is just me importing myself so I can do a comparison that if I was inside of this astronaut suit, how tall would I be and where would my head be sticking out, stuff like that, so I can get a good reference. Because when I imported this suit, it was huge. And I was like, oh man, this is not the Hulkbuster suit. This is just an astronaut suit. So I broke everything down into different parts and different pieces and stuff like that, like the vest and stuff like that, and I imported it separately into MetaTailor.